أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أهلا وسهلا إلى مركز العلوم والحكمة Remote Study. Welcome to the fifth part of our lesson series from the book titled Learn Tajweed with Ease. I am Mudaris, Sulaiman Ali. Happy listening. In this part of the lesson, we are going to learn أحكام النون الساكنة والتنوين. أحكام نون الساكنة والتنوين. أحكام, the rules. Noon is sakina, of nunun with sukun. Nunun carrying sukun. With tanween and nunation. Ahkam, the rules. Guarding the pronunciation of nunu sakina. Nunun carrying sukun. With tanween and nunation. Remember I told us that the reality about tanween is nunu sakina. Tanween is written as double fatha, double kasra and double dhamma. However, it is read as nunu carrying sukun. I hope you understand. There are 4 rules guarding the pronunciation of nunun carrying sukun and tanween. There are 4 rules. One of those rules is called Izhaar. 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 So Izhaar means clarity. Izhaar, clarity. The state of being clear. So, when you apply the rule of Izhaar to Nunu Sakina and Tanween, you read them clearly. So you read them plainly without being matched with another letter, without being attached to another letter. So that is Izhaar, clarity, the rule of Izhaar. One of the rules of Nunu Sakina and Tanween. So if you see any of the letters of Izhaar after Nunu Sakina or Tanween, you read your Nunu Sakina or Tanween without a deep gunna. Without a deep gunna. A deep gunna as in inna, very deep. That one is deep. As in thumma, very deep. You don't need deep gunna in reading Nun Sakina and Tanween upon seeing one of the letters of Izhaar after them. So you apply light gunna, not deep gunna. I hope you understand. What are the letters of Izhaar? What are the letters of Izhaar? The letters of Izhaar are Hamza, Hamza, Ha'un, Ha'un, Ha'un with thick H. Thick H as in, how are you? How are you? Ha'un. Then, Ha'un. Ha'un. Ha'un with light H. As in, happy. Happy. Then, Ha'un. Ha'un. Ainun. Ainun. Then, Goinun. Goinun. When you see one of these letters after Nunu Sakina or Tanween, as an active student of Tajweed, you are expected to read your Nunu Sakina and your Tanween with light gunna, not deep gunna. I hope you understand. Now, Hamza appearing after Nunu Sakina or Tanween. So how do you read this? We are going to read this as Man aman, man aman. You don't read it as man aman. That is very wrong because you are now applying deep gunna. Rather, man aman, man aman. So now example of Tanween. Hamza appearing after Tanween. How do you read this? Mathalan afala. Mathalan afala. You don't read this as Mathalan afala. Mathalan. That is very wrong. Because now you are applying deep gunna. You don't need it. When you see any of the letters of Izhaar after Nun Sakin or Tanween, just apply light gunna. Let's discuss more examples of Nun Sakina and Tanween with letters of Izhaar. Example number 1, Hamza, appearing after Nun Sakina. How do we read this? Man aman. Man aman. The rule of this Nun Sakina is Izhaar. Why? It is because of the appearance of Hamza after it. Now example of Tanween. Mathalan afala. Mathalan afala. Now the rule of this Tanween is Izhaar. Why? It is because of the appearance of Hamza after it. Number 2, Ha'un appearing after Nun Sakina. How do we read this? Yanhawun. Yanhawun. What is the rule of this Nun Sakina? The rule of this Nun Sakina is Izhaar. Why? It is because of the appearance of Ha'un after it. Now the example of Tanween. Yawmin hu. Yawmin hu. Remember, Wawun with Fatiha is your last letter. And I told us in level 1 of Quran course that when you are stopping on a letter, you must turn that letter to a silent letter for stopping on it, regardless of what the letter is carrying, either Fatha, Kasra or Dhamma. So you must give it Sukun for stopping on it. And I told us, Sukun can be either visible or hidden. So you read this as Yawmin hu. Yawmin hu. Hu for stopping on it. Number 3, Ha'un appearing after Nun Sakina. So how do we read this? وَمَنْ حَوْلَهَا. وَمَنْ حَوْلَهَا. The rule of this Nun Sakina is Izhaar. Why? It is because of appearance of Ha'un after it. Now the Tanween. مُلَاكِنْ حِسَابِيَا. مُلَاكِنْ حِسَابِيَا. The rule of this Tanween is Izhaar. Why? It is because of the appearance of Ha'un after it. Number 4, Ha'un appearing after Nun Sakina. So how do we read this? وَمَنْ حَفَّتْ. وَمَنْ حَفَّتْ. The rule of this Nun Sakina is Izhaar. Why? It is because of the appearance of Ha'un after it, after Nun Sakina. And Ha'un is one of the letters of Izhaar. Now Tanween. Mu'minun khayr. Mu'minun khayr. Mu'minun khayr. The rule of this Tanween is Izhaar. Why? It is because of the appearance of Ha'un after it. And Ha'un is one of the letters of Izhaar. Now Ainun. Number 5, Ainun appearing after Nun Sakina. And Tanween. How do you read this? Yani'iqa. Yani'iqa. So the rule of this Nun Sakina is Izhaar. Why? It is because of the appearance of Ainun after it. Now Tanween. Yawmun asib. Yawmun asib. Yawmun asib. The rule of this Tanween is Izhaar. Why is it so? It is because of the appearance of Ainun after it. And Ainun is one of the letters of Izhaar. Now Gainun, the last letter. Number 6, Gainun. So Gainun appearing after Nun Sakina and Tanween. So how do you read this? Min gislin, min gislin. So the rule of this Nun Sakin is Izhaar. Why? It is because of the appearance of Goinun after it. Now Tanween. ميثاقا غليظا, ميثاقا غليظا, ميثاقا غليظا. The rule of this Tanween is Izhar. Why is it so? It is because of the appearance of Goinun after it. If you see any of these letters after Nun Sakina and Tanween, so the rule to be applied is Izhar. That is why you need to have these letters in your memory. Memorize them so that whenever you come across any one of them in the course of Quran recitation, you know which rule to apply. I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Subhanaka Allahumma wa bihamdik. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa ant. Astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Kindly like the video, share it, and hit the subscribe button below. مع السلامة وإلى اللقاء آخر.